When a client comes to us with a pedestrian on motor vehicle injury case, one of the first things they often want to know is how long it's going to take to resolve these cases. That can depend greatly depending on the facts of the case and the amount of insurance coverage available, but pedestrian cases are usually some of the easiest to resolve without having to file a lawsuit. When a case has significant injuries and the liability of the at-fault driver is clear, those are often cases that can be resolved in a quicker fashion before having to file a lawsuit. It often will depend on the amount of medical expenses involved and the amount of automobile insurance the at-fault driver has in determining how long it may take to resolve those cases. Sometimes injuries may be very significant and there may be a lot of insurance coverage, and those are cases that have to be worked for a much longer amount of time, such as if an individual is hit by a commercial truck. There may be a lot more fighting over what the value of compensation should be. In those cases, if we can't work them out before filing a lawsuit, we have to go ahead and put that into litigation. Personal injury cases have a 2-year statute of limitations, which means that to pursue one of those claims in trial or in litigation, you have to file the lawsuit within 2 years of the date of the injury, so 2 years of the date of the incident. We try to get as much of the medical treatment done prior to the filing of the lawsuit as possible, because if something's overlooked or doesn't arise until later, you don't get to go back if you've already resolved your case and ask for more money. So we want to make sure that everything is included. If we do have to put one of these cases into suit, it's going to take a while to work through gathering the evidence that is necessary and potentially presenting the case to a jury. So a pretty fair estimate of how long it would take after you file a lawsuit to get the case resolved would be somewhere between 1 year and 2 years. If you have a case that involves being a pedestrian hit by a motor vehicle and you want to know how long it would take to resolve that case and what is involved with resolving that case, please give us a call. We're here to help.